Artificial intelligence is often described as the defining technology of our time. It is transforming businesses, reshaping industries, accelerating scientific discovery, and becoming deeply embedded in how societies operate. Much of the conversation surrounding AI has focused on computing power, the chips that power it, the models that drive it, and the billions of dollars being invested to scale it. Yet beneath the race to build increasingly powerful AI systems lies a resource that receives far less attention that may prove just as critical to the future of technology. Welcome to Perspectives. Today, let's explore how the race to build artificial intelligence is creating an unexpected challenge for one of the world's most valuable resources. As governments and technology companies accelerate investments in AI infrastructure, concerns are growing around the environmental footprint of the systems that make artificial intelligence possible. Data centers, which serve as the backbone of the AI economy, require significant cooling to operate efficiently. As demand for computing power rises, so too does the demand for the resources needed to support it. What was once viewed as a sustainability issue is increasingly becoming a strategic infrastructure question. Recent studies and industry reports have reignited debate around the relationship between artificial intelligence and water consumption. Researchers warn that the rapid expansion of AI-focused data centers could significantly increase demand for water, particularly in regions already facing varying degrees of water stress. Across the United States, communities, policymakers, and environmental groups are beginning to question whether the pace of AI infrastructure development is moving faster than conversations around resource availability. The concern stems from the sheer scale of investment currently flowing into artificial intelligence. Technology companies are committing hundreds of billions of dollars towards new data centers, AI factories, and digital infrastructure. While these facilities are critical to powering the next generation of innovation, they also require land, energy, cooling systems, and water resources that must be sustainably managed over the long term. To the most users, artificial intelligence feels almost invisible. A chatbot delivers answers instantly. An image is generated in seconds. An AI assistant completes tasks with remarkable speed. But behind these seemingly effortless experiences lies a vast physical infrastructure operating around the clock. Thousands of servers process enormous volumes of data every second. These systems generate significant amount of feed that must be carefully managed to ensure performance and reliability. Cooling technologies play a critical role in maintaining these environments, and many of those systems depend directly or indirectly on water. As AI models become larger and more computationally intensive, the demand for cooling infrastructure continues to grow alongside them. This is why the conversation extends far beyond sustainability alone. At its core, it is becoming an infrastructure challenge. Communities, regulators, and industry leaders are beginning to examine whether future AI growth can be balanced with local resource realities in regions vulnerable to drought, groundwater depletion, or climate-related pressures. Questions around data centers expansion are becoming increasingly complex. The technology industry is not standing still. Companies are investing in liquid cooling systems, water recycling technologies, and more efficient infrastructure designs aimed at reducing resource consumption. Yet, efficiency gains alone may not fully address the challenge. As AI adoption accelerates across industries, demand for computing capacity continues to rise. Every new model, enterprise deployment, and AI-powered application contributes to a larger infrastructure footprint. The scale of growth means that resource planning will become just as important as technological innovation. The future of artificial intelligence will undoubtedly be shaped by advances in algorithms, computing power, and innovation. But it will also be shaped by something far more fundamental: the resource required to sustain that progress. As the AI economy continues to expand, the conversation is evolving beyond what these systems can do and towards how they can be built responsibly. Because the next challenge for artificial intelligence may not be creating smarter machines, it may be ensuring that the infrastructure behind them can grow in a way that is sustainable, resilient, and fit for the future. That's all for the perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. Keep watching the Mainstream for more such stories.